guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own DIY candy school supplies for back to school. Now these are mainly just for DIY and entertainment purposes only, but if you want to use these as pranks or anything else, then you can, but be careful actually sneaking them into class. But I would just use these to hide your candy. Now before we get started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite candy is. Mine is definitely Skittles or Smarties. Make sure to go and subscribe down below to join the hashtag EpicOwlFam, and also to get notified every single time I post a video or have another giveaway. So make sure that you go and do that. And let's get on into the video. Let's go! Now the first DIY that we're going to make is hiding Tic Tacs inside of a pencil sharpener. And this is totally clean and washed out, so make sure that you do that first. And honestly, I don't know why you can't just bring in the Tic Tac container covered in some cute paper or something, but this is just another creative way to do it. And I also added this craft filler that made it look a little bit less obvious. The third DIY that we are going to make is by taking this Tic Tac container that we used from the last one, and we are going to fill it with Jolly Ranchers. Now, if there's one thing that I've learned from all of my years in school, is that Jolly Ranchers fit perfectly horizontally in Tic Tac containers, which is super handy. The unsuspecting crayon box, the perfect place to hide our candy. But in this case, I'm going to take a few sticks of gum. And did you know that you can open it up on the bottom and it has a perfect amount of space in the back of the crayon box to fit everything that you need. For the fifth DIY, what we're going to do is just take a ballpoint pen, and I am totally cleaning it out and gutting it so that I can take out the ink tube and everything, so I'm just left with the outside shell and the tip of it. And what we're going to do is just fill it up with Nerds candy, and I just got this huge box of Rainbow Nerds, and then I'm just putting them all in there, and then I'm just closing it up with the very tip. The very last thing that we are going to do is just take this highlighter, and it's super easy to remove the tip on these and also remove the ink from inside. Then you just have an empty tube where you can fit 1 or 2 Jolly Ranchers in, and it's easy to take out and your highlighter still works.